This 2022 Coachmen Galleria 24T is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, air conditioning, awning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, skylight, TV, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, water heater, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2022 Coachmen Galleria 24T is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.